Hey everyone, what's up? How you doing? It is me, Timothy. Gonna be doing a mukbang breakfast for all of you. Gonna have a quesadilla. I believe this is sausage. So, hope you guys enjoy watching me eat my breakfast this morning, if you don't mind. Yeah, if you don't mind. But if you mind, hey, it's okay. You're invited to come over for breakfast. This is sausage, an egg from Taco Bell. Thought I'd grab me up some breakfast from Taco Bell. On this good old Saturday morning. This wonderful and enjoyable Saturday morning so far. So how's your Saturday going so far for you out there? Hope it's been a terrific one for all of you. Hey, how's the weather where you're at? I hope your weather's a lot better than ours. Well, ours is sunny right now, but there's rain clouds moving in. Yeah, rain clouds moving in. Gonna be a rainy one. That's for sure. That's for cotton picking, sir. Could be a rainy one. Yes, it's going to be a rainy one all for the rest of the day today, and I guess we're supposed to get a chance of thunder showers tomorrow. Might be severe, they're saying. Don't know yet. Don't know yet. But we'll wait and see. Reason why I'm doing a early vlog is I had to take my son to work. A rarity for him to be working in the morning. And it's a rarity to see him working in the morning, where he's used to working late shift from 11 at night till 7 in the morning, or 7:30 in the morning. He's used to that. Not used to these different kind of awkward shifts. But I guess he's new to housekeeping, and they're doing training so far. That's what he wanted. He wanted to get away from EBS, and that's another cleaning service that they got there. And he just couldn't stand it there. So that's why he transferred to housekeeping. But I'm happy for him. Yeah, I'm happy for my son. I might save this one for later. Who knows? Who knows? But yeah, I'll take you outside, let you all see these rain clouds moving in on us. Here where I'm at here in Michigan. It was dark towards the west when I pulled in, but it still is some. Got some rain clouds moving in on us. The temps are in the 40s this morning. This is the wonderful 40s. But yeah, got some rain clouds moving in on us. By humbug, don't want that to happen, but oh well, that's gonna happen anyways. Yeah, rain's supposed to start sometime today. Don't know when, but sometime. Yeah, trees, man, they're starting to look pretty. I like those ones at the school ground right there. Got some pretty color in them. Even that tree right there. How about some of you getting out doing some adventuring outside? Get out there and do some adventuring. Let's see some fall colors from some of you out there that are in the areas where fall colors are. Also, the tree up in front of that school there, right there. That's pretty. Yeah, that is pretty. Yeah, my kids went to that school there when they were young. Well, my son did. I don't think my daughter did. Or maybe she did, I can't remember. They went to so many different schools and ain't funny. Because they were in special ed classes. Special ed classes. So what are y'all going to be doing for the rest of this good old Saturday? And let me know in the comment box. Me, I got to decide what we're going to have for dinner tonight. Got to sit down and think about that. And got to pick up dinner for tomorrow also. I'll be thinking about that also. And then, just going to be chilling. Well, waiting for the Power Rangers to come on today at 12. So I'm going to be watching that. And then I might watch some good old football. College football this afternoon. Like I always do. Yeah, like I always do. Watch college football games. like I do all the time. Like I do all the time. Is watch college football games. I enjoy watching college football games. I think college football games are more interesting than NFL games. I don't know why. I really don't. I think it's because of the overtimes that they do in college football. That's what I like about college football, their overtimes. For NFL, now they go to just a 10-minute overtime, and if nobody wins, then it's a tie. I don't think that should happen. I really don't. I don't think that should happen. I think that if they should have a winner instead of having a tie, like they do in baseball. If it stops for some unknown reason and it's in a tie, they finish it. Well, that's what the NFL should do. Yeah, that's what the NFL should do. Look at pro basketball. They go into overtime. They don't get them whipped. And if the two teams tie at the end of overtime, then they go on and continue. But yeah, that's what the NFL should do. Yeah, that's what the NFL should do. I want to welcome a new subscriber to my channel here. I seen I got a new subscriber here. I want to say hi to Sam Dingley. Hello, Sam. Welcome aboard to my channel, Sam. I checked out your channel. You don't got any videos up on your channel yet, Sam. Just curious, Sam, if you got any plans to do any videos for your channel. But I checked out some of these channels that you are subscribed to, and the one I really liked was Funny Dorothy. I don't know how this little girl can have over 6,163 subscribers. But golly, how does anybody that age do it? Can anybody tell me that this kid draws that much subscribers to her channel? 6,163 subscribers. She's only a youngin'. Look at that. She's only a youngin'. Well, I might subscribe to her. But again, Sam, welcome aboard to my channel, and I hope you will like it. Feel free to check out my other videos, Sam, that I have. I got plenty, so feel free to check them out, and feel free to talk to me, Sam, because, I enjoy speaking with my subscribers. I really do. I love speaking to my subscribers out here, so, don't be afraid not to talk to me, because I love talking to all of you. I really do. I enjoy speaking to everybody out here. So, if you're subscribed to me, don't be afraid to talk to me. Talk to me. Let me know how your day's going and how your day's been for you, alright? Because I like to hear from the rest of you out there. And not just the regulars. I get some of these new ones, but you don't want to say anything, so don't be afraid. I enjoy talking, and I will talk to you. Just leave a comment once in a great blue moon. Some of you newbies. Yeah, I'm just going to be, like I said, chilling at home, watching football, and I might go and see if I can get a video of a train today from my other channel I got. I got another channel. If you're new here, I do train videos on my other channel, so I might go and see if I could get a train today. And then after that, probably get dinner going and then go pick up my son. I think he gets out about 5:30 today. So I'll be picking him up, bringing him home, and having dinner and watching football and just enjoying a good old Saturday, and try to stay up for a little bit because our time falls back tonight. Yeah, so if you gotta switch your clocks back, don't forget to switch your clocks back tonight. If you're in those areas that do that, flip your clocks back. And we get an hour of sleep tonight. Yippee! Yoo-hoo! Yeah! But yeah, that's how the rest of my good old Saturday will be, people. Will be. Well, everyone, hope you all enjoyed this breakfast mukbang this morning. And if you did, give it a thumbs up and share this video. If you're new and popped along this video, hit that red subscribe button right there and click on it and subscribe to this channel. Yeah, I would really appreciate it big time if you could do that for me. Again, y'all take it easy. Have a super fine one. And if any of you out there is getting close to going into Sunday or almost stepping into Sunday or right at the doorstep of Sunday, well, happy Sunday to you out there. And if you're still in the good old Saturday and having an awesome Saturday wherever you're at, well, happy Saturday. Again, everyone, you all take it easy. Have a super fine one. And this vlog is over.